Another feature unique to York's Smart Weld 830 is the ability to weld multiple passes from the original start point. This is handy in the case of welding against a shoulder or other such situations where repeatability is key. We're simply going to weld, having programmed the machine at the point where we desire the weld to start. Here you can see we've welded the top inch of this bore. We want to put a second pass on it, but we want to start it at exactly the same place it started on the previous pass, and we'll ask the welder to return to the original start location. We only want to build up the top inch of this bore. Now that we've returned to our original start location, we'll reprogram the circular mode, taking into account the reduced bore diameter for the next pass. There you have multiple passes from the same start point in the same bore. This process can be repeated as many times as necessary to get to the desired inside diameter. And there's the finished result.